guys, let's just go. Pop 50. Wait. Oh my God.
Good, chase it down. What a way to end it, huh? Faking you right out, left and right. Yeah, look at how good you are when he's... I got it. No!
No, you're right.
I'm on the horse. Yes! No! Wait! You waving at it? Off me? Wow, is that funny? No, we can't get any funnier, can we?
I know.
Wait!
I wish you had bags here, though.
You wish what?
I wish you had garbage bags right here, though.
Yeah, me too. With something in them. I don't think so this time. Ah! I'm gonna shit my pants. Where'd that go out?
Your panties right there.
Time out.
Your panties?
Oh, you stink. Nobody wants to watch us.
I know.
Why? We're funny.
I know.
And I'm good. Wait a minute.
That was funny.
That was pretty good.
Nothing.
No, I got two.
No, you don't.
I thought I got two.
Guys, did you get two?
Yeah, we were laughing about it. I'll say I got nothing.
I think you do.
I do too. Here's the ball.
You know what?
No.
All right, 2-2.
2-2 now. He gives me 2 points. I score. He takes the 2 points back. Wow, if that ain't a Cody move. 2-2. Oh.
2-2. No.
Look at his free shot. No.
Yes, no.
Wait. No. This way.
Oh. Yep.
And then. Oh. Yo. Wait. This is all on film. Oh. Oh my God.
All that energy for nothing.
That's right.
Wow, guys.
I gotta have some Kool-Aid. Hold on.
Sponsored by Kool-Aid.
I'm going to the Kool-Aid stand.
Got Kool-Aid.
Where'd it go out? 2-2.
Boy, I know stuff.
Wow. Instant.
Oh my God. Where's it going?
Now it's gonna go out to the road.
Not for me. Hey, I'm missing a diaper?
Yeah. I put a new one on already.
Oh, okay. Ow!
Oh yeah. Oh, did you see that? No.
Oh my God. That was crazy.
That was.
Oh, it's doubling. It's doubling. I'm watching you on camera.
Are you? Oh, bad move. Oh, Rob. You should have had it. Yeah, I agree.
No, I doubt it.
Boing. Now we hit your mother's truck. All right, we hit them all now.
Where is it?
Behind there. Very. We'll have fun watching these. What's that, more booger? Dog shit?
No,
Oh, shit. Should I?
Hey, I high-fived you.
This is what I use my butt for. See over here? Oh yeah, and then you go for that side and it's over. It's over your head, no.
Yes.
Wait. Short. Oh jeez.
Oh my god, look at that one.
I know.
Oh my god!
Oh, stop. Please.
This is a historical game, guys. You better watch this and like it. Pass it.
Huh?
Pass.
Yeah, right.
I have to check you. Wait.
Yeah, I'll check you maybe. Hey, it looks like the dog's been over there too. I gotta give it to you. Watch the door. Is it still 2-2?
Yes.
Is it?
Yeah. It's 4-2. It's not. It's out of bounds. Wait, no,
No.
it's not. Oh.
Oh, that's what you want. Ah! Oh my god. Please stop.
It doesn't go in the look for me, but for you it goes in the mouth.
Because I put more power behind it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
No.
going to you.
I'll get it. I'm going to 190.
It's going to New York.
Yeah, I'll be at the gas station.
Imagine the ball is actually at the gas station. Now, come on, you can send the ball and they'll take you somewhere.
Whose ball?
Mine.
Is it?
Yeah, but then you say, oh, I'll put too much power on it.
Yeah, huh?
Ready?
Huh.
Okay, alright. Look at that catch.
That was nice. Only to lose it to me. Short! Oh, boy.
I got it.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, right out.
Yep.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, boy. Hey, good spot to hit.
Oh my god. Please leave me alone. I can imagine that's what it's saying right now. Please leave me alone.
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone. Deal.
Yep.
It's in.
2-2. Wow, I haven't made a shot from over here in a while. You got to give me a little room so I can get it in.
The Cody shot you're gonna miss. It's the Cody shot. It's the Cody shot.
Killers. Got the two newest vehicles. Ah! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no, it's going out of bounds.
What a save!
Oh, you guys give the basketball.
Now I was in the air. I did not touch the ground.
I don't know about that. We'll look at the film.
Got it. I saved it, guys.
Still 2-2. Yeah? Yeah? Oh, yeah, you want you. Should have had it. What's my head? Oh, it's going out! Yes! Probably should have hit me in the head. It was my first shot. Man! What am I doing that for? You know what the problem is? Me.
Yeah, you are the problem.
Right here.
Guys, it's been 2-2.
No, you really want to know?
What?
With the ball being wet, it's
Oh my
heavier.
God.
It's heavier, so when I'm shooting, I'm not getting it.
Yeah, it is
It is, right? Oh! Oh, my! Oh, right in my wheelhouse. Thank you. Wait a minute now. I got a practice shot. Thank you.
It's out.
Yeah.
Oh my god, there it goes.
It's all across the street.
I knew it.
Should've. You gotta step in bounds though next time. Yeah, try that. Try a legal shot.
What?
Oh, what did I do that for?
I almost fell down and hit my head. Literally, when you're back there, I went.
Yeah, and I went like that and knocked it out of bounds like a dummy.
Did you see that shot though?
No,
My shot went over.
I wasn't here.
Oh my god. Hello.
Yeah, no kidding. But wait. Ow! Oh my God! No! Don't even think of it.
Yeah!
And I touched it, so I get the 2 points.
No.
Hit my fingers.
No.
So it's like an eye shot.
Oh my god, no.
That's a new one, 4-2. Uh-oh. How about you? What's that Drew Jaying on the back? Don't even. Oh, you forgot something? Yeah, you gotta shoot that, not your hand. Try it. Control? Taha? That's good. Thank you. Wait! Oh, did you see that?
Lay up. No.
Lay down.
Lay middle.
Yes! The king! 4-4. Come on, that was a good shot. Oh, he was gonna try it.
Look at the net. No, I'm not kidding.
Oh my God, you'll never get it through there. I'm gonna have to go up there and slam dunk it. Or go to Dunkin' Donuts.
Oh god, this is a funny game.
Yeah, but you're losing them all.
I'm dying.
I should get a watch and try to hypnotize you and just grab the ball from you. Oh no!
No, yeah,
Yay! Well, at least you accomplished something on the shot.
I fixed it now.
Yeah. 6-4. I had something in my mouth. Wait!
Oh, look at that beautiful net.
Yeah?
If you're first.
Alright, now you have 2. I took 2 from you just now. Here. Ooh! Should have shot it. Hurry up! On a bomb.
I'm a ballerina.
You sure are. And not a good one at that. Oh!
Wait, what?
Yes! Yes! Did you see that? Fake you right out. 8-4. Good shot. I'll fart. Oh my God. That ain't helping you. I'll get it for you. Go on and try me out. Say it. This could be it, folks. Let hit it.
Oh my!
Oh, nice job.
It's still running. Yeah.
You're doing your damnedest to make it not run.
There you go.
Right there. Hit the truck. Fakes you right out again.
You hit the walk.
Look at what? Like, look at what? That show the license plate again.
Oh my god.
Yeah, look where it is. I wish we had a bag of empties. Or a bag of chips. I don't know. back.
There you go. That's funny.
You waited all weekend for this beating. I told Ian I was going to come here. Is it mine?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. Say it's over, folks.
Fuck you.
Hey!
Woo!
They're tired of watching you lose. Hit my finger. You should have let it go.
Yes!
Nice, 8-6.
Wait!
That's enough of letting you have points.
I'm going aggressive.
Uh-oh. You're tired already? Come and get it. I knew you'd fall for it. Oh, look at the net. Oh! What on you? Right there, you got a good shot. Yeah. I know, I got it undone again. 8-6, the king. He's saying his prayers right now. Now I lay me down to sleep. If I hit the bed, I do not pee. That game with Mike made me sweat. I hope the bed I do not wet.
Oh my god. Hard game.
Get back there.
Funny game.
Fun. Ow! Is it? Well, then I step in one.
And this.
And out of bounds. You can get it in your dog crap.
Thanks.
8-6. Sure. Yeah, that was pretty good. Wow. Don't play soccer either. So, give up on volleyball, soccer. European.
Wait,
Are you?
what? Wait a minute. Wait. Do the Uncle Mike dance. Do the Uncle Mike dance.
I forgot it.
That's called the Uncle Mike dance, guys. Do it on camera. There he is.
Wow.
8-6.
Yeah, right. Yeah, still. Go ahead.
What?
Yeah, you can reach under there better than me. Yeah, I might have to put my jacket on. You dropped money.
What?
Right there.
Hey, buddy.
I know what my problem is.
Well, I know what that is. That's
I can't see straight.
That's tape from school.
Is it? Well, then they're going to get you for thievery. Oh, yeah? You don't know your name? They got to put your name on you? Hi, I'm Cody. That's right. Ready? Oh, boy.
Wait a minute.
Oh. Oh.
One-handed free shot?
Sure. No! Watch this. Yes! It is over. 10-6. The king is unstoppable today. Now you get it in. Wow, 3 games in a row. Can't have a playoff when you don't win any.